Hi everyone, my name is Trata.
Hi, I'm Precious.
And I'm Stokely, and we're here to tell you about our experience at the leadership retreat.
One thing you should know, there's no Wi-Fi at camp.
Wi-Fi at camp.
There's no Wi-Fi
Would have
at
been
camp.
nice, but probably would have messed up everything.
Yeah, I think it was very good that we did not have Wi-Fi because you could actually spend time with the people right in front of you.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
We were not worried about following each other on Instagram or adding each other on Snapchat or trying to tweet to each other. No, nobody was worried about that. Like, we actually enjoyed each other's presence every single time.
Oh yeah,
like,
sure.
if you're
But don't worry, they
they
still had access to internet if needed for emergency or anything. So it wasn't like
I don't think
a totally,
anyone
Needed it,
still,
but yeah.
I mean, actually, the time alone from the device made you have more time to spend with the persons that were there. So
Yeah.
ideally, it was almost like the best thing,
Yeah,
the
it
best
was the
move
best
to
thing,
make,
yeah.
right? Just like
I was
give it up
honestly
for the
worried
couple
about
days.
that before, but when I went, I was like, yeah, you know what? It was very good to take a break from like
Absolutely.
Because they know where you are,
Social
so
media,
you don't
yeah.
need to worry. If anything, they can call Corey for mentions. Being disconnected from the internet and just
Social media.
from social media was actually not so bad. It wasn't the best thing, but it wasn't the worst thing either.
I think it was the best
You
thing.
think so?
I think it was
come
the
on.
best
I'm
thing.
telling you.
Because
No.
I could get very addicted to things like, very easily. And I like the fact that I could take a break from that, because if I was here in the city, I don't think I would have taken that break by myself.
Here's why I said it was the best thing, because I would have loved to post some pictures, right, instantly, like when we're having the activities, like
instantly.
look at me, right, just to get the
pictures.
we took pictures and posted them afterwards,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Posted them afterwards. So yeah, that's
But hey,
the
we were
thing.
having fun. That's why we posted afterwards,
Yeah.
right?
That's true. So
I
for
felt like
sure.
it would have ruined the moments if everyone was like, oh yeah, Snapchat, like,
Yeah, no.
every single time. No.
You of course need a break from like the electronics, not electronics, but like the Wi-Fi and social media in general to have fun, because there's a lot more outside your like phones and tablets and laptops and stuff. There's a lot more to see outside the world than just staying in your own zone,
True.
So I think it was a great break. If we had Wi-Fi, or if we had access to internet or whatever, it would have been as great as we experienced.
I think persons would be more on their phones
Yes.
than
So
interacting.
they
Interacting with the
don't
phone
tend
more
to-
than interacting with
each other.
People, yeah.
So sure.
So I think
We
it
had
was a
like
great break.
genuine connections with each
Yeah.
other. It was fun.
Absolutely. We wouldn't have got to know a lot of us if we were always on phone. So hey, it was a good point.
Yes.
That we
It's like
didn't
no
have
phone, no
Wi-Fi.
phone policy, right?
Yeah.
No
Well,
phone,
you
no
had your
internet.
phones with you, but
Yeah.
like, no internet.
Yeah, no
and
internet.
everything.
Okay, so hopefully I didn't scare you too much about the videos on Wi-Fi, okay? But listen, it's a wonderful experience, so make sure that you go check out our other videos on YouTube for the leadership experience, and it's going to be awesome. Thank you so much.